exercise 5.4 and the difference between question number 3. So this is exercise 5.4. Question number 3. Now in this question, if you see your book, the values which are given, they have to be simplified, and it is written if a plus 1 upon a is equal to 3, you have to find something. You have to find two things. Find a square plus 1 upon a square, and you have to find a4 plus 1 upon a4. Two things you have to find. So since we have to use this value and two answers we have to find, so you will take a plus and do squaring of this. Now why we are squaring? Because the question says a plus 1 upon a is equal to 3. So I will square this and try to make this number as this one, and then this square will be done into this way. So first a plus 1 upon a, squaring a plus 1 upon a is equal to 3. You all can hear, type yes, you can hear. If you can hear me, type yes. And in between, if you have understood, keep typing yes, we have understood. So a plus 1 upon a is equal to 3 is the question, and this I am squaring. Why I am squaring? Because I want to make this into a square. So I will square this, and squaring is done of the left hand side and the right hand side. So square of the left side and square of the right side. Now when you square of this, you will use formula. So I am writing the formula using x plus y. I am writing formula changed. X plus y square. The formula is x square plus 2xy plus y square. The formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab. I have written x plus y so that you don't get confused between a and this a, because the question also has a and formula will also have a. Now I have to write this according to this. So what is x equal to? So what is x equal to? X is this term and y is this term. So x is equal to a and y is equal to a. So therefore x plus y will be written as x square, which means a square, then b square. B is 1 upon a, and you will do square of this and square. X square is this, y square is this. I have to write 2xy. That means 2 into this is x. That means this is x and this is y. So 2ab, this is ab formula, and in this formula I have written 2xy. So x into y. So x is the first term, y is the second term. So x square plus b square y square and then 2xy. So 2 into a into b. Now see, this is important. Question is a plus 1 upon a. Formula is x plus y, x square plus 2xy. So I have to write my answer in this form. So x square is a square, y square is 1 upon a square, and 2xy is 2 into a into a. Now I will simplify. When I simplify, a and a divide, and I am left with, and on the right side, and this number is to be written here is equal to 3 square. So this will become a square plus 2, a and a cancel, plus 1 upon a square is equal to 9. 3 square is 9. So now the solution becomes a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 9, and this 2 will come on the right side. So 9 minus 2. So my first answer has come 7. So the two parts which I had to find, I have found first answer a square plus 1 upon a square, which is equal to 7. Now I have to find a power 4. First part we have done. Now second part is a4 plus 1 upon a4. So now I will use the same expression, a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 7, and do the same thing. Same thing means squaring left hand side and right hand side. So I am squaring it, squaring left hand side and the right hand side. Squaring left hand side just like I have done here. So whatever those who have joined now, you can see the replay later on. You will understand what is left hand side, right hand side. So why I am doing square of this, squaring left side, squaring of this and the squaring of this. So a square plus 1 upon a square whole square and 7 square. Because I want to find 4. When I will do square of this, I will get power 4. And now I have to solve by using the formula which I have written here. X plus y square. You can write the formula a plus b square. Let me write the same formula because some of you might confuse. So I am using the formula a plus b square. This formula is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this expression will be solved by using this formula. So what is a equal to first term? What is b equal to second term? A is the first term, b is the second term. So what is a square plus 2ab? A square will be square of this. So I have to write it as a square and square and then plus b square. So what is b? B is the second term. So 1 upon a square square. Now in between I have to write 2 into a into b. What will be a into b? A into b will be, this is a and this is, so you have to keep this in mind that the first term and the second term are used as a and b. First term is a, second term is b. So the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So first term will be a square and b square. So I have written a as the first term square, b as the second term square. So what will be 2ab? 2 into this into this into this. So this is a is a square number. A means, I am writing it here. See this part. The value of a is a square. The value of b is 1 upon a square. See this. So this value I am writing here. A square means this a and this is b. So wherever there is b, I have to write 1 upon a square and do its square. So this is 2ab plus b square. So this, when you solve, it will become a power 4. This 2a square into a square will cancel. You will be left with 2 plus what will be answer of this? 1 upon a power 4. And on the right side, which I am doing, it will be 7 square. This was 7 square, so this will be written here. So now my number becomes a4 plus 2 plus 1 upon a4 is equal to, what will come on the right side? 7 square, which is 49. Understood this step? You can revise it by seeing it again. So this is a power 4, this is b, so this is b square. See, the formula is this, a square is this, b square is this, and 2ab is this in between. So answer is this 2. What will be next step? 2 will go on the right side, so it will become a4 plus 1 upon a4 is equal to 49 minus 2. So your answer becomes is equal to 47. So I have got two answers. First answer is this and the second answer is this by using the formula. Okay, now here you can revise it. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the class. Otherwise, you can type your question below it. Now the question which I wanted to differentiate was the next part, which is question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is, now see the difference between the question. In this question, it was written if a 1 upon a is equal to 3, then you have to find all this. Now in question 4, it is written if a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 11, and it is written find a minus 1 upon a. Now this is to be understood the difference between the two questions. Here it is written a plus 1 upon a is equal to 3. So we did square of the number which is not a square. So I have done squaring of the left side, that is this number, and made it into square. Why? Because I have to find square. Since I have to find square, I have done square of this. And in question 4, the square is already given. And you have to find a minus 1 upon a. So I will write squaring a minus 1 upon. I will do square of this term. A minus this, fine. Now this a minus 1 upon a will be solved again by using the same formula. But here it is a minus 1 upon a square. So I have to use the formula which is a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I will use this formula. Now why I am using this formula, not using the plus formula? So why I am using minus formula? Because the question is minus. So I have to use minus formula which will be solved a square plus, so I am writing this part here. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. So what will this become? A and this is b. So a square will become a square 2ab and plus b square. So directly I am writing square. So what I have got? I have got the expression as a minus 1 upon a square, that is this one, is equal to a square minus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square. I am squaring this and writing the answer on the right side. This is squaring left hand side and right. Now in the right side there is nothing. So I am finding the answer of this. So this answer will become a minus 1 upon a square is equal to a square. This is based on the formula. This is the formula. When I simplify, a and a will divide and it will become a minus 1 upon a square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square and minus 2. I have written a plus 1 a square and 1 square together and minus 2. Now this part till here, if you have understood, type yes. Whatever I have explained till now, if you have understood, type yes, you have understood. Now we will do the next part after this. The next part of this question is a minus 1 upon a square is equal to this. So it will become a minus 1 upon a square is equal to, so what is the answer? A square plus this Now this is already given as a value in the question. See, the value of this is given here 11. So I will write 11 here. So when I write 11 here, it will become, this is here, the value of this is 11 minus 2. So it becomes a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 9. Got it? Now after this, a minus 1 upon a is equal to square, we will remove 9 and it will become a minus 1 upon a is equal to 3 is my answer. In the question it was asked, find the value of a minus 1 upon a. So I have got the answer, a minus 1 upon a is equal to 3. Okay, so now the explanation of this part is a recorded part, so you can watch the explanation again to understand how the things were solved. Okay, so now let's move on to the next question. Those of you who are finding it fast, you can play and solve the question. For you, the question will be clear if you play the video again and watch it. Now this is the question which we did in class. 3x minus 4y is equal to 5. This is different now. In this 3x minus 4y 5 is given and xy is also given. So this we have done in class, so I think most of you understood. And it is written, find the value of, find 9x square plus 16y square. So I will use this to find this answer. So again I have to do squaring, left hand side and the right hand side of this expression. So 3x minus 4y I will do square and 5 also I will do square. So squaring left hand side, squaring right hand side. So when you do square of the left hand side, you have to do square of right side also, and it will be solved by using formula a minus b square. So what is a minus b square? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now this is important. The question is given 3x minus 4y. So I have used the formula a minus b. If it was 3x plus 4y, I will use a plus b. This part understand again, okay? So 3x minus 4y, therefore question formula is also a minus b, and I have to write this question in this way. So I will write it in this way here. So I am writing the formula here. It is a square minus 2ab. So what will be a square? It will be 3x square 2 into a into b and plus b square. See this part. This is a square, this is b square, and this is 2ab. And this whole thing is equal to 5 square. So I have simplified this. I have to write 5 square. So 5 square is 25. So 25 will come here. Now my question becomes 9x square minus 2 into 3 into 4. When 2, 3, 6 into 4 is 24 into xy, or just xy you can say, and 16y square is equal to 25. Okay, so 3x square is 9x square, 4y square is 16y square, and 2ab is 2 into 3 into 4, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24, and multiplied by xy. Now the question becomes 24xy, and question says xy is 3. Now the use of the second value. So this xy I will put here. So it will become 3 plus 16y square is equal to 25. Okay, so 9x square plus 16y square and minus 72 is equal to 25. 24 into 3 minus n. So what happened? I have got first part, it was asked. So I have got this here. See, 9x square and 16y square. So 9x square plus 16y square is equal to 25. 25 and this 72 will come here. So plus 72. So it becomes 9x square plus 16y square is equal to what type? So I have got the first answer. 9x square plus 16y square I have got. It was written, so I have got this answer. 9x square plus 16y square and the answer is 97. Okay, so this is important question. Try to do the extra questions which I have given. Now this is question number 5 ends here, and question number 6 in your book is different. It is written express as a whole square and then find the value of this. So this question is different. Question number 6. Question 6 is a factorization question. Question number 6. So it is written express as a whole square and then find the value of, check your question in your book. It is written 25p square 90pq and plus 81q square. It is written this, where p is equal to minus 2 and q is equal to 1. So the question says factorize, and then factorize means you have to write it as a whole square. Change this number into whole square. This number is not a whole square. So what you will do, you have to convert this number into whole square. Now in this there are two numbers 25 and 81 which are square numbers. So I will convert them into whole square. So it will become 5p square. Square root I am doing. And this 81 will be written as 9q square. I have converted the numbers into whole square. Got it? Now what will be in between? What will come in between the numbers? What will come in between the numbers? So let's see what will come. So I have converted 25 and 81 into 9 and 5, and this number, actually what we are doing is this, we are trying to do the opposite. We are doing this a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b. We have to, question is given like this and we have to write it like this as a whole square. See, the question is matching the formula. So what is a square and what is b square? So to make it a square, I have written it as 5. So what is a? A is 5, b is 9. So what will be 2ab? 2 into a into b. So see this formula. And what is 2ab? What is a and what is b? Type. What is the value of a and what is the value of b? A is equal to 5p, and b is equal to 9. So this is b and this is a. So what it will come? 2ab means 2 into 5p into 9q. P is 5p square, 2 into 5p into 9q plus this. So now this whole thing is to be written like this. So this is equal to what? What is a plus b? What is the value of a plus b now? Tell. This is a square, this is b square, 2ab. Check this number. This number I have converted into this form, and this whole thing is matching this formula. I have to write it in this way. So what will be a plus b? A and b. A plus b. So 5p and plus 9q. This is matching the formula. So my expression has become So the question has been changed into a formula form, and it has become 5p square plus 2 into a into b and 9q square is equal to 5p plus 9q square. See this step again. You can replay it again to watch and understand what has happened. So this was the question. I have to write it like this, and this is what they want. The question says, see question number 6, it says express as a whole square. I have written it as a whole square. So first I have to write it as a whole square and then find the value in this. So 5p plus 9q is a whole square, and in this I have to use two values where it is given p is minus 2 and q is 1. These are the two things given. P is equal to minus 2 and q is equal to 1. Now this value I have to put here. So 5p means 5 into minus 2 and 9q means 9 into q, 9 into 1. So first you have to change the question according to formula, write it in this way. I have written it this way. Now put this value which is given in this. So in place of p I have to write minus 2. So I have written minus 2 here. In place of q I have to write 1. Question says this. Now it will become 5 into 2 minus 10. 9 into 1 9 square. So this will become minus 9 plus minus 10 plus 9 is equal to minus 1 when you will solve. So what is the answer? 1 is the answer. See, the question says find the answer when there is a value given. So there are two values given, you have to find the answer. So this question number 6 you can mark different and important from other questions. It is different. Now again 7th question is different and 8th question is different. 7th question says simplify. Simplify means write it in simplest form, and the question is written as a minus 2b plus c, a plus 2b minus c square. So there are 3 terms here and 3 terms here, and similarly question number 8. So this will be done with formula. where three terms are there. So there is a third, we have done three and one more formula. Now this is the fifth formula where we have to solve this term, and that formula is using a plus b plus c square. This is a formula, and formulas are just made by multiplying. A plus b plus c means what? A plus b plus c multiplied by a plus b plus c. If you multiply this, you will get some answer which will become formula. So this formula is equal to, it is a long formula, a plus b plus c is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is the formula when there are three terms. Earlier we have done a plus b and a minus b, two terms. Now there are three terms. So this formula is to be used in this question. Okay, so there is no minus formula, just use this formula. And the question is, I have to find two things. I am solving here a minus 2b plus c square. So what is a? This formula I am using. A is the first term, b is the second term, c is the third term. I have to write the answer of this in this way. So what is a equal to? The value of a is the first term, b is minus 2b, c is plus c. What is the answer of this? According to this is the formula. So this answer gives me a square, then plus b square means plus, b is minus 2b, a is plus, b is minus, so I have written minus, c is plus, so I will write plus c. So b is a minus term, so I have kept minus sign in bracket. Now what will be 2ab? 2 into a into b, a into b. So 2 into a into minus 2b. What will be 2bc? 2 into b into c. So minus 2b into c plus 2ca. 2 into c into a, like this formula. So c into a. This is the answer of this expression by using formula. So what is the answer? It is a square. I am simplifying. Minus 2b square will become plus 4b square plus c square, and this multiplied 2 into a into 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4ab, so it will be minus 4ab. The answer of this will become 2 into 2, 4 minus 4bc plus 2ca will become 2ca. So this is a long answer because the question I have done this part. So this answer of this square is this expression. Now I have to solve this also. So I am solving the next part, which is written as a plus 2b minus c square. This will also be solved like this. So what will it be? A square. I am using this formula. So see the formula and see the value. A is the first term, b is the second term, c is the third term. So it will become a square plus b square, c same thing, and then plus c is minus c, so I have written it inside. Now plus, like I was doing 2ab, so here also I will do 2 into a into b, then 2bc, so now it will be 2 into b into c, 2 into 2b into c, plus 2 into c into a, so minus c into a. See this part. See this portion of the explanation again, and you will understand that I am using this formula, which is equal to this. So I am writing all the questions in this way: a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. First I have written answer of this. Now I am doing answer of this according to this formula. What will be the answer? It will give me a square plus 4b square plus c square. I am solving this, so minus 4ab. The answer of this will become minus 4bc, and the answer of this will become minus 2ca. So I have got two answers. First answer is this, and the second answer is this. Now these two have to be subtracted. Now it will become lengthy now. So when I write that in terms, it will become, the answer of this is a square plus 4b square plus c square minus 4ab minus 4. What the number which I am writing now, I have told you how it came. This comes minus the second term. Now the answer of this is here. The answer of this is here. So this I have to write in bracket. So it will be a square plus 4b square plus c square minus 4ab minus 4bc minus 2ca. Now these two brackets you have to open and subtract. Open them and subtract them. So when I will open them and subtract them, it will give me an answer which I am showing you here. So when I open the bracket, this expression which is here, it will become, without bracket, it will become a square plus 4b square plus c square minus 4ab. It is a lengthy one, plus 2ca. So I am writing all of them in one line, and then there is a minus sign, so open the bracket. So minus a square minus 4b square minus c square, then this minus and minus will become plus 4ab, minus and minus will become plus 4bc, and minus will become plus 2ca. So it becomes a long expression where the like terms, now this is a square, there is a square, there is a square here plus this is a square, this will subtract, it will become 0. 4b square is plus and 4b square is minus, so they are unlike terms, so they will subtract. Plus c square and minus c square, they will also become 0. Minus 4ab plus 4ab, they will also become 0. Minus 4bc, this is minus 4bc, and this is plus 4bc, they will plus 4 and minus 4, they will become 0. This is plus 2ca, and here it is plus 2ca, so the answer is 2ca plus 2ca, answer is 4ca. So it is a lengthy question. Now how the answer came, what were the steps, you can watch this explanation again to understand how the answer came. So question 7 is important. You can watch the explanation again, you will understand how the answer came. Now revise till here. Question number 8 is to simply, and then we have to find the answer. So question number 8, and then the next part of the book is factorization. We will do together. Question number 8 is x plus 3 into x minus 3. Let's quickly do this also. So question number 8, it is written simplify, and a is written as x plus 3, x minus 3, x square plus 9. X plus 3, x minus 3, x square plus 9, and it is written multiply them. Now we have to multiply this with this multiply this with this. So all three have to be multiplied. So how will you multiply? First I am taking these two terms and I am multiplying by using formula. So what is the formula? Using a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. What is the answer? A square minus b square. The answer of this two will be, you have to multiply them. Multiply by using formula. So this is a plus b, a minus b. You have to write the answer of this as this. So it will become x square minus 3 square. How it is x square minus 3 square? See, this is x plus 3, x minus 3. This you leave, x plus 3 into x minus 3. This is a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b and a minus b, when you multiply, it will be solved by formula a square minus b square. So I have to write the answer of this as this. So a is x, b is 3. So x square minus 3 square. This is the answer of the first two brackets. Next bracket is x square plus 9. So I have multiplied two numbers by using formula and my answer becomes x square minus 9. And x square plus 9 was already in the question. This comes directly. Now these two will again be multiplied. First, we will multiply the first two numbers by using a formula. A plus b into a plus b, a minus b, which will be square minus b square. So a plus b is this and a square is a and b square. X square minus 3 square is 9. And this is brought down. Now I have got two numbers and these two will again be solved by the same formula. So I have to write my answer in this way. So what will be a square minus b square? This is a and this is b. This is also a. This is b. So it will become a is x square and minus b is what? This is a minus b is 9. So I have to write a square. So square of a square and then 9 square. So why is this square? Because I have got the answer x square minus 3 square and x square plus 9. So this is the number brought here. These two have been multiplied by using a square minus b square formula. I have to write this answer as x square minus 3 square, which is x square minus 9. X square minus 9 and this x plus 9 will again become a new formula. And these two will be multiplied again by using same thing. So I have done formula of, it is x square minus 9 multiplied with x square plus 9. So I am using the formula now, a minus b, a plus b. I have to write my answer in this way. So what will be this answer? A minus b, a plus b. So what will it be? A square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. A is x square, so x square. B is 9, so it will be minus 9. But a is a square and a is already a, x is already a square, so it will become square. So this is a square, b square. A is already x square. So don't confuse in the two 2's there. So a square minus b square. Answer will become x power 4 minus 81. Answer is this. I have multiplied by using formula. Okay. And in the same way, the next question will be done, which you will try. The next question says x minus 1, x plus 1, x square plus 1 and x 4 plus 1. So first multiply these two, just like we multiplied these two. We have multiplied these two. In the same way, multiply these two and use this formula, a square minus b square in this. So a square will be a square minus b square. A square minus b square is the formula. So a square minus b square, then x square plus 1 x4 plus 1, a minus b, a plus b. So x square minus 1 square becomes x square minus 1. This is the answer of the first two numbers after multiplying. Then this number is x square plus 1. This is the question. This is also question. Now again you will multiply these two by using same formula, a plus b, a minus b. So now the value of a is x square, b is 1. So a square minus b square will become a square minus b square, and x4 plus 1 is the next part. So this answer becomes x4 minus 1, and x4 plus 1 is the question given. So I am multiplying two numbers at a time by using a formula, x minus 1, x plus 1. I am getting the first number. Then I will multiply this with the second number and I will get this. These two are left. They will again be multiplied by using same formula. And now if you know, how will you complete the question? x4 minus 1, x4 plus 1. x4 minus 1 and x4 plus 1. So x4 minus 1 and x4 plus 1. Again we will multiply by using the formula a minus b, a plus b. This answer will be written as a square minus b square. So what is a? A is this, b is this, a is this, and b is this. So I have to just write a square. So a square means this is a and b is 1. See, a and b. A is x power 4 I have written, but I have to write a square. So I will do its square. B is 1, so I will do its square also. So finally the answer becomes x power 8 minus 1. This is the answer. Now how it became 8? 4 and 2 will multiply. So x power 8 minus 1. So this completes the exercise. You have to revise the exercise to be able to understand how the questions have been done. Type your problem below the question, and then remaining I will take in the live class. Next I will explain factorization tomorrow, where factorization will be a new topic for you. This needs to be understood properly. So type your comments below and see you in the next class.